The day I was sworn in, we had $8 billion of unpaid bills, and yet somehow we got there with balanced budgets.
The lawmakers seem to pull a rabbit out of the hat and say, look at this, we've got $1 billion surplus.
We have a balance sheet that does not include long-term assets, long-term liabilities.
Money that was taken from people, spent on other things, it doesn't show that as a liability. That's wrong.
Just because an obligation isn't coming due that year doesn't mean that it's not going to create a load for taxpayers down the road.
They stretch any definition of borrowing and throw it in as a way to plug their budgets.
This level of quote unquote accounting as being at the heart of the problem of the government financial performance.
It may be time to revolutionize government accounting principles before the people themselves revolt.
Current standard's not working. I don't think the new standard sounds like it's much different than that.
The current proposals to place a short-term focus.
It misleads the public.
This additional set of books appears to be a tool that could be used to confuse voters.
You're helping them keep two sets of books in ways that aren't healthy for public communication. Go back to the drawing board and establish a full accrual.
Full accrual accounting.
I think that part of the problem is the idea that we don't have full accrual accounting.
Full accrual accounting all the time, everywhere.
Having as your goal a full accrual accounting is a long-term perspective.
It would be an honest assessment of how they met their budget.
It is what is proposed by the International Accounting Standards Board.
Accrual accounting should be accrual accounting. The definition of accrual accounting is clear regarding when and how a transaction is recorded. Go full accrual accounting.